We're here at El Chiflón with Jalapeño Tours, and this is our first stop on our waterfalls and lake tour today. This is El Chiflón, one of the main attractions here in Chiapas, about 45 minutes outside of Comitan. Thanks to Jalapeño Tours for arranging the tour today, and we're gonna see some waterfalls. Okay, we are arriving at the first of the 3 waterfalls we're gonna see today. Let's take a look. Here we are coming up on the second waterfall. This one looks really nice. We're almost to the big one. You can see it up there in the distance. Look at that, that's a big waterfall. Pretty cool. Okay, made it to the 3rd waterfall. Check that out. That was a long climb up. It took about an hour with a few stops, but we made it. So now let's see it from the air. I'm all suited up for this. Let's go down the zip line. Special thanks to El Chiflón for letting us go down the zip lines here. That was a nice surprise, and hope you enjoyed the footage of that. The next stop are the Lagos de Montebello. It's about an hour, 40-minute drive. All right, let's go. We made it to our first lake, and it's lunchtime. So these little restaurants, the ladies just yell at you until you pick one. All right, let's eat.
Chorizo, champiñones, ensaladitas, frijolitos de la olla. Seven, manzanita, mirinda, coca, agüita de Jamaica, Carlita. De Chiflón. ¿De tomar? ¿La manzanita de quién es?
Here's our boats. Okay, this is $7.50 a person. Little wooden raft. Yeah. All right, let's check out the island. We have to all paddle? Ah! We made it to the island. This is our last stop, and now we're heading back to the main shore and I think another lake. Check out this island. It looks really cool from above. Arrived the boats. That was pretty crazy. Getting some really Mexico experiences here. If you come to lakes here, be sure to do the boats. It's interesting. That is it for our first lake. Yeah, we had a good meal and saw a cenote and a little island. It's nice to be out in nature here. It's so green. I knew we were close to the Guatemala border, but I didn't know that we'd be able to walk across the border here without passports. There's no border check or authorities anywhere. We actually walked about 100 yards into Guatemala, so I guess this is my 52nd country. I'll have to officially visit Guatemala sometime soon to really make it count. Got another stop here at this really blue lake. Pretty cool. Great view up here, but pretty foggy. That's it for our Montebello Lake tour. I'd really like to thank Jalapeño Tours for all the great tours we did. This will be the last one. They're just so accommodating. You don't know how much they've done for me this week. Thanks a lot, and check out Jalapeño Tours when you're in Chiapas.